And we quickly shift our attention once again to CNN News 18 mega exclusive. This is as per intel sources. We're learning that Lashkar is behind the Riyasi attack. So that possibility stands clearly confirmed at the moment. Riyasi attack tasking was done, and it was done recently and possibly by Sajid Jat is what we're learning. Top J&K police sources have in fact also confirmed the same. Recent communications intercept suggests Riyasi type tasking was given recently. It's also premature though to say if they wanted this only group to be attacked or they wanted pilgrims to be attacked in general. Agencies are now working, we're learning, to corroborate evidence and also link the Shiv Khori and this particular bus attack. As CNN News 18 has already reported that a month back, Shiv Khori was also under the radar of terror groups, and after that it was that security was increased and agencies have been working ever since to understand whether or not these terror groups have the knowledge about the yatris at Shiv Khori temple, those who are coming for darshan. It is only after that they'd attacked this bus, and the tasking was also done by Sajid Jat is what we're learning, a local Lashkar-backed TRF, to make it homegrown terror. Let me quickly go across to Ishan Wani once again. So the Lashkar role is becoming clearer as we speak. And like we've been discussing, Ishan, it really does become about, a pattern, whether a pattern here is being followed, whether the pilgrims who are going to offer darshan, who are going to pray at Shiv Khori temple are actually being traced and tracked. It all boils down to that because, like we were discussing, the movement of these pilgrims was known to these terror groups, and that's when they planned it out, pre-planned it when they attacked this bus in specific.
Well, it's getting very radical. If you recall that these outfits would never harm pilgrims much, or you would say tourists. Recently, there was an attack on a tourist couple in Pahalgam, and then now it has been followed by an attack like this, of this magnitude, where you target a full-fledged bus of beg your pardon, these pilgrims who had come to this temple. This is not something which regularly takes place or regularly happens. This takes a lot of planning, this takes a lot of execution, this takes a lot of okay from the other side, where you get okayed for carrying out this attack, because this would mean repercussion.
Okay, sorry to interrupt you there.